Hi guys, it's me again, yung ating new Jaja. No edit, no filter, just me. So this vlog is about mga pangarap, pursuing your dreams and goals. So kung bago ka pa lang sa akin channel, don't forget to subscribe. So nabasa nyo na may title, Do You Believe Nothing is Impossible If You Pursue Your Dreams? Yes guys, of course, nothing is impossible here in this world. If you pursue your dreams, for sure, ikaw ang magbe-benefit nun. You are the one who will benefit that. If you pursue your dreams, there's a lot of changes. There's a lot of growth. Okay? Try to pursue your dreams. Not try. Do your best every day. Because you don't know. We only live once. And I, I do believe that you are the first one who need to believe in yourself. Okay? Not everyone else, not not your family, not everyone. You are the first one who need to believe in yourself. Believe in yourself that you can pursue your dreams. Nothing else. Okay? Nothing is impossible with God. Tutulungan ka niya. He will help you. And this vlog is about to pursue you to have a connection with Him. Sometimes there's a lot of challenges. We're focused on the pain. Don't you ever focus on the pain. Sometimes sobrang emotional tayo. We are always focused on the pain. Focus on God. Focus on Jesus Christ. If nasasaktan ka, if you are in pain, just pray for Him and trust Him. Okay? It happens for a reason. It's either pinatitibay ka niya, He wants you to be stronger, and if there's a lot of people who gives you challenges in this life, accept it, paste it, okay? And then don't forget that it's a part of life, okay? While pursuing your dreams, while achieving your dreams and goals. Okay, parte sila para tumibay ka. So kung ako sa'yo, you have to believe that you can pursue and achieve your dreams. Okay? Basta kasama mo si God. And guys, napansin ko lang na araw-araw ang daming challenges. Tapos pag pinagpe-pray mo yung sarili mo na maging matatag ka, maging strong ka, maraming dumarating na challenge. And talagang maiiyak ka na lang. Magiging matatag ka na lang. Kasi yun yung way ni God to help you to pursue your dreams, to be stronger. Kaya ikaw, kung nahihirapan ka ngayon, it means para yan, para maging matatag ka, para mas kayanin mo sa in the future. Okay? Wag kang susuko. Don't you ever give up, okay? Just pursue your dreams. Comment down below kung ginagawa mo to at nakatulong to sa'yo. And share it if may makakatulong ako sa iba. Okay? Hanggang dito na lang. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell for more upcoming videos. Bye! See you in my next vlog.